So I'm on my lunch break and I thought, why not make a quick tutorial? Today I'm showing you how to make a simple modesty flap for a corset. If you've ever worn a corset and noticed that open space behind the lacing where your skin shows, this is the fix. A lot of people don't like that gap, which is why the modesty flap was invented. It neatly covers that area for a more polished look. The video is about 3.5 minutes long, but don't worry, I won't be talking the whole time. Just watch and you'll see how simple it is to make. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, I'm starting to create more training videos like this, and I have to say, it takes a lot of effort. Balancing this with a full-time job isn't easy, but I'll do my best to keep sharing helpful tips. Thanks for watching.